What's up, guys? This is your boy JL, and you guys like my friend's shirt with the what's his name again? With the boobs out. Anyways, this is my page 104, and I know I haven't been uploading a lot lately because the pandemic, but I'm trying to like rebrand myself and do something better and bigger than what I used to do back then. So I'm still trying to figure out what else I can do to make it better and not just do all those funny stuff with girls and pranks. I gotta do something better than that and be more educational for you guys, at least. But I'm doing this earwax thing with my little sister. She's gonna do that professional extracting earwax cleaning for my ear because I've never done it before. So I just thought I'd put it on my YouTube to show you guys that I'm still alive. And there's more to come. There's a lot of things to have to go through to figure out what I can do for the next branding for myself. I still have to figure out my name because JL Conquest is a little boring, I think. I need a better name for myself. So if you guys have any suggestions of a good name, maybe I'll think about it. If you guys comment below and let me know what's a good name for myself, because I'm still trying to figure out, actually. So, but you guys won't see the last of me. I'm still gonna do more YouTube. I still want to keep on doing it because I enjoy it. I enjoy doing all that. It's fun for me, and I like for you guys to enjoy it too if you guys are watching it. And I appreciate you guys supporting me, and I thank you for that. I know I'm not that big or anything, but soon enough I want to be known as someone people can look up to, and can do what I can do as well. Which is the reason why I'm doing it, or which I started from the first place, is to do YouTube so I can inspire people and to help others as well that gone through all the stuff I went through. And you guys know my story. My backstory is I went through a very bad motorcycle accident that caused me to be disabled. But I don't let that, define who I am, of course. I just have a good reason why I can use the handicap record. But I look normal if I didn't tell you guys this. But which is why I did YouTube for, is to explain to you guys and share my part of my life story, and to why I do all these videos for, is for me to get out of my comfort zone a long time ago, which I did, which is why I'm showing you guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. So, but I appreciate you guys watching my videos and commenting all the stuff about my videos. I appreciate the comments, good or bad, it's all good, But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Until you'll see me more again on YouTube videos that I do. Peace out. A-Town. When I do this, it means A for Asian, guys. So that's why I do peace up, A-Town. Because I'm Asian. That's why I do. So I kind of stole that from Usher a little bit, but I did it my way. So thank you guys for watching again. Until next time. Peace. What's up, guys? Guess what I'm doing with my little sister? Doing that to me my ear right now. What's it called, Cindy?
Candle earwax.
It's called a candle earwax, and it's supposed to clean out your ear, I think, right?
Yes.
And you gotta wait 10 minutes for each ear while it's burning. So this is weird, and it's my first time trying this out, and my little sister is helping me out. Trying it out for the first time.
We'll show you the after photos.
Yep, I'm gonna show you how dirty my ear is, guys. Peace. Next. Alright, guys, here's the aftermath of what's going on, of my results. Let's see how dirty my ear is on my left side.
Fuck, John!
Damn, so dirty.
Ew! Ah, touching it! Ew, ma! Look! Oh God!
Is that mine for real?
Ma got him up.
That would look like mine.
Yeah. Can you do me?
What?
You don't have to hold it.
Or what?
So hold it like this. Just hold it. Don't hold it. Is it in the ear hole?
Uh-huh.
Oh, hold it. And I'll watch it.
Alright. This is round 2. Go down. Alright. Alright guys, this is round 2 for my ear cleaning of the wax. What's it called again?
Candle wax.
Candle wax ear cleaning. And this is weird. So guys, this is my second result of my last ear, and this is what it's gonna look like when I take it out. You see how nasty my ear is. Oh, there goes that. Damn, that's a lot of earwax.
Yeah, look at that big ass chunk, bro.
Damn, that's nasty.
You got shit in your ear.
Damn.